Welcome to our video about common toilet plumbing issues in Calgary and how to fix them. In this video, we will discuss some of the most common plumbing problems that occur in toilets and provide you with simple solutions to address them. One of the most common issues with toilets is a clog. A clogged toilet can be caused by various reasons, such as excessive toilet paper or foreign objects being flushed. To fix this problem, you can start by using a plunger to create suction and dislodge the clog. If the clog persists, you may need to use a toilet auger or call a professional plumber. Another common toilet problem is a running toilet, which occurs when water continuously flows into the toilet bowl even when it is not being used. This could be due to a faulty flapper valve or a malfunctioning fill valve. To fix a running toilet, you can start by checking and adjusting the flapper valve or the fill valve. If the issue persists, it is recommended to replace the faulty component. Leaking toilets can waste a significant amount of water and lead to water damage. The leakage can occur from different areas, such as the base of the toilet or between the tank and bowl. To fix a leaking toilet, you can start by checking the wax ring or the tank bolts for any damage or looseness. Replacing the faulty component or sealing the gaps can help resolve the issue. Sometimes, toilets may have issues with flushing properly, such as weak flushing or incomplete flushing. This could be caused by a problem with the flush valve, the flapper, or the water level in the tank. To address flushing problems, you can start by adjusting the water level or inspecting and replacing the faulty components. Flushing performance can be improved by ensuring proper water flow and tank refilling. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into common toilet plumbing issues in Calgary and how to fix them. Remember, if you are facing more complex or severe plumbing problems, it is always advisable to seek professional help. Thank you for watching.